Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a business account on Fidelity. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a business account on Fidelity, then this video is gonna help you out with that. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log into your Fidelity account on the mobile app on your mobile device, or you can choose to log in on the online website through your computer. Now, once you're logged into your account, just want to click on Accounts, and then you're going to click on Business Account. And here it's going to initiate the business account setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, one of those is the business details. But once that's done, just choose the business account options, and then you're going to need to confirm the business account details. Once that's done, just monitor the business account activities right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business account on Fidelity. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.